Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send a video on Gmail more than 25 MB using phone. Firstly, when you get up and try to send a file that is bigger than the file size in which has been detected on Gmail. For example, if you go on composing setup, you can send it to this person, you can compose email, and here you can just simply attach file. And if you try to attach, I will go with videos. Now as you can see, this is 9 megabytes, and this is why this video can be sent. But if it's more than 25 megabytes or megabits, you can simply, what you need to do, you need to go again on that attachment setting. You can go on the second selection, which is insert from drive, and guys, with this you can simply go find out the real section from your drive, and then you're gonna send it right here, and it will be selected and send it that video which is more than 25 megabytes. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. If you have any questions, please comment down below in the section. See you soon and have a nice day.